Hello. I hope you've all been doing well. I've been very busy myself, but managed to find a way to the dollar store and found this. Hachimals. I've never ever had one, but I've always been curious to crack the egg. This says that it's the Playdate pack. Double the hatch, double the fun. Wasn't that a gum slogan? Double your pleasure. Oh yeah, the Doublemint twins. Little tangent. Collect your Hatchimal families. Well, of course. 60 plus to collect, so you better open your wallets. Oh, and we have 3 little kids and babies. Hatch, hatch, play. Hold, hatch, play. Okay. Well, the directions seem straightforward. I mean, this one says hold, hatch, play. This one just says hatch, hatch, play. A little confused on that one. The contents say 2 accessories, 2 graphic cards, 1 checklist, and 1 instruction sheet. Look at it. Ooh. All right. I personally try to save cardboard that's really pretty. If it fails, it fails and goes in the recycling, but I try to keep the pretty things and I cut them out and DIY them. So sometimes I'm a little, careful, slow at opening things. Oh, look at that. A lovely harvest. Oh, we can get all kind of cute things out of this. I'm gonna mosh posh them onto my oh my gosh, I can't speak today. Onto my toy box. But now for the moment we've all been waiting for. The egg. Let's just, oh, there we go. This just comes out here. Nothing. Soft plastic, recyclable. Okay, here's what's going to tell us if it's hatch fun or hold hatch fun. Okay, 1. Oh, that's, here we go. Okay. You get your egg, you crack your egg, and you celebrate what's in the egg. Okay, that sounds pretty straightforward. Sounds good to me. Out egg. Oh, I'm so sorry. Ooh, the crinkle. Oh no, is that plastic? Oh, one moment. All right, I've put a little snip there, so we take off the band, and it would appear I don't know if you can catch that on the camera, but it's glittery. All right, so do you hold your thumb and it changes color? No? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's satisfying. Oh, oh. Oh no. Was that a face crawler? No. It was nacho chips? Wow, that kind of exploded everywhere. Oh, I see. Yeah. Of course, where I wanted to put the pressure is right where the nacho chips. Or maybe I could DIY it and turn those little speckles into red little pepperonis and detail it to look more like a pizza. Then it'll look like it's tiny little pizzas in a bowl. I'm overthinking it already. Let's get back to the toy. Oh, there's life. I think. Oh my. And we have... Oh. It's cute. It's got a little workout band. And little glittery wings. Aww. Workout fairy cat. I like it. Here you go, buddy. You can eat your tiny pizzas. What do we got here? What is that, a snail? Is that a snail? Are you a snail? No. Are you a butterfly? What are you? Bruh. What is this? Is it a bear? Bruh. Oh, well, you can beat up your... Stand. Why do you... Oh, there. It was just not... Okay. Neat, but... Oh, wait, there's more. 2 hatches, 2 funs, remember? And... Got a My Little Pony? And a tambourine koala? Some kind of marsupial, I think. Yeah. Somebody's been practicing. Simpsons reference. Nobody remembers. Welcome to the band, Jimbo. And is this a My Little Pony? It looks like a My Little Pony. It has a stamp on its hind like a My Little Pony. Is this Twinkle Sprinkle? Huh. You go, you can join your buddies. Oh, but the fun's not over yet. I'll find that later. Okay. What else do you have for me? Oh. Are these the decorative cards? Okay, so we'll just... Great, that's fantastic. We'll just pretend that I did that. And beautiful. What's this? Oh, well, this probably helps it stand. Wow. You know what? That's what this was for. Oh. So, wait, what? Oh. Oh, pardon me. Bump the camera. It's a 2-part. Oh. Okay. It still needs a little bit of cleanup, but... Beautiful. Perfect. That makes much more sense. Okay, so... So that would be the top one. Which... There we go. Who says that I don't need to go back to school? Yeah, perfect. Okay. And then this is upside down, but goes back here because it's our high quality floor. Yeah, sure, perfect. And there you go. There you go, buddies. Party it up. Okay, now let's see what actually happened here. Okay, here's, how did we do? Oh, it's a bat. Okay, I got Batney Love. Yeah, there's Batney. Oh, there's more on the back. Okay. Cat Dancers. That would be this one. And right over here, Performance Pip. Right there. Oh, it's a lion. Okay. It's Lil Vincent von Rohr. Okay. And then, of course, we got the pink fox pageant, bats, bunnies, dogs. No. Oh. Okay, I guess that it's a Wendy weave, even though it looks pink in this picture. Wendy weave it is. Okay. And that's our gang. Or is it? Meow. This was beside it. Snip. Let's see. Oh, it's a little egg. Is this the same thing? Propellers! And yeah, it's the same. Okay. This. What little mystery will we have in the egg? It's more egg appropriate for that. Ooh. Yeah. Wonder what it's made of and how I can recycle it. Oh, okay. Oh, I should have put more detail. Little kid or twin babies? Well, I ruined the surprise already, but I got twin babies. Looks like I got puppy twins. Oh. I'll do a close-up on them as soon as I find out what their names are. Okay, we got the laying down one, Fifi Fetch, and you look like you are Little Jetwag. So they're right here beside each other. Fifi Fetch and Little Jetwag. And here's Little Jetwag, looking more like an elephant than a dog, lacking a face, but that's okay. He glitters. That's always a good thing. Here you go. You can enjoy your new house. And then there's, this one has a little bit more defined face, but still, it's still just a really tiny. I think it might actually be tinier than the original Kenner Littlest Pet Shop's puppies. Not the newborns that came with like the Mama Papa garden set, but yeah. Oh, right. Hatchimals. Well, quite clearly, I did not collect all 60 here, but we have one more trick up our sleeve, and what is it? Oh, yes. Let's go. Golden Kaiba. Come on, Golden Kaiba. Golden Kaiba. Silver Silver Dark Oh, I thought it was Dark Magician Girl, which we already have. No, it's Silver Dark Magician. Okay. Still not our golden Kaiba, but still not a double yet. Yay! So I have a huge mess to clean up. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!